Hello guys! I'm back. Actually, meron akong isang video na hindi ko pa na-upload but I will upload it later din. Kasi sayang din, nag-effort na ako doon, diba? So, for those who are new, hello, my name is Rina. I'm here in UK and yung trabaho ko dito is vlogging. Pero hindi yung typical na vlogging na family vlogging. Meron din akong family vlogging but hindi ako masyadong nagfo-focus dito dahil nga busy ako doon sa shopping vlogging ko. Oh, okay, like that. Oh my God. Very wrinkle ng aking suot. Pero, okay lang yan. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kadumi ang bahay, guys. As in, sobrang, oh my God, I cannot imagine. Sobrang kalat ng bahay dahil nga sobrang busy ko this week and uploading and everything. So, anyway, please subscribe guys kasi gusto ng anak ko na marami siyang subscribers. Okay. Okay na to siguro. Okay. Yan. So, gusto niyo maraming subscriber. Tapos yung nails ko pala. Naalis ako guys, pero bago ako umalis, kasi eto dito nakatingga lang to mga 1 week or 2 weeks na. Kasi nga, sayang din naman kasi kung hindi ko ipapakita. Kasi may income din naman kahit kaunti. So, normally is, yung income ko talaga dito is yung sa Facebook. So, doon ako. Meron din kaunti sa Facebook, sa TikTok and sa YouTube. Yeah, meron din, okay. But, yeah. So, meron akong Rina in London, which is, yun yung aking shopping vlog. Ito is yung family vlog ko. Tapos, meron din akong isa pa, which is, hindi ko sasabihin sa inyo kasi, you will not believe na meron ako noon. Yeah, pinapakita ko yung sa bahay. So, kaya nga masyadong hindi ako nag-upload doon, na-demonetize ako doon na channel sa YouTube. It's because wala akong masyadong na-upload for 7 months. So, 6 months kasi pag wala kang ina-upload, mahirap. Kasi ang pinapakita ko doon bahay na malinis, na malinis. So, ngayon, kung hindi malinis yung bahay, hindi ako nakakapag-upload doon. Kasi yun yung gusto nila makita doon, yung malinis na bahay. And then at the same time ngayon, ang dami ko nang binili sa bahay. Kasi nung bago kaming lipat dito, it's like, konti lang talaga yung gamit ko. So, okay, this one, like that. Okay, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, minimalism. Tapos ngayon guys, parang hindi na talaga minimal yung aking bahay. Sa sobrang dami kong mga abubot na, which is I'm trying na, I try na get rid of. Tapos, at the same time, maybe some furnitures, hindi ko na siya kailangan. Tapos, ano pa ba? Mga damit. Actually, ngayon, last na. Ito, nakikita nyo, yung shopping ko. Konti lang to, guys. Than normal. Kasi sa normally talaga, nagbumibili ako ng madaming damit. I don't know why. Parang feel ko, oh, I need this, I need that, I need that, I need that. Parang ganon. Especially pag nakasell. So, ngayon, konti na lang yung damit ko and I'm trying to wear yung clothes ko na paulit-ulit siya. So, yeah, kasi alam nyo, madami akong damit. Pero yung sinusuot ko, yung comfy, tapos at the same time, yung madali lang siya i-remove. And sometimes, meron akong binili sa Zara na 2 jeans. Ayaw ni Afam, sabi niya, you look bigger daw, shorter. Parang ganon. So, sayang. Kasi 30 pound each yung 2 yung binili ko. So, yun. It's really bad. Marami akong ibebenta na mga trouser, jeans, trouser, tawag nila dito. Marami akong ibebenta and hopefully mabenta sila para at least konti na lang yung damit ko. And marami akong dresses. Tapos, after that, paulit-ulit na lang yung susuotin ko. Kasi anyway guys, kahit marami akong damit, paulit-ulit lang din naman yung suot ko. Kasi nga gusto ko yung easy like dito. Comfy siya. Eto, comfy. Kahit nga ito, ayaw ni Afam. Sabi niya, hindi daw maganda sa akin. Kaya, bumili ako ng damit. Sabi ko, hindi ako figure. So anyway, mag-haul na ako dun sa kabila guys. Explain ko mamaya. And yeah, sa shopping channel ko. Okay? Wait lang. Hello lovely people! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Rina. So today guys, I'm going to show you B&M, Zara, Home Bargains, and Primark and Amazon. I have Amazon also. So I show you what I purchased. Actually guys, I'm very proud of myself because I shop so much less now. In Zara, they have so many sale dresses, tops, trousers, so many nice items, so many nice guys, but I control myself and I didn't purchase any. I purchased only two this time, but the prices, tomorrow I'll be going to Zara tomorrow and I hope I don't see the dress that I might buy, because if it's not there, at least I save money, but if it's there, I'm sure I will grab it again. So anyway, I control myself, so we have less shopping now. Okay, I show you the first dress. So this one, I tried it on already and I like it and it's comfy. You know, I'm really into comfy now. So this is just a very basic, but it's 70 pound. 70 pound, but I didn't, you know me, I don't buy full price. So I bought it 18 pound only. So imagine guys, look, 70%. So okay, 60. It's 60 pound actually. 60 pound and 70% off. So I bought 80 and it's just like this. You know, like that. And I like the length. It's just enough for me like that. Just a little bit sexy in here, but I will just put tape on it in the side like that. But it's really comfy and it's easy to put on. Yeah, because sometimes the dresses, I remember now, the dresses that I normally purchase are like very tight and it's very hard to remove. This one is another one. It's a little bit hard to remove. It's easy to put on, a bit hard to remove it, but it's so cheap guys. I'm thinking to okay, it's 36 pound. Yeah, and it's 80%, 70% also. So I purchased it like 10, compute it like that, 10 pound or 11 pound. Anyway, so look at that. I like the length also of this. So it's like that. Yeah, it's nice length for me because I'm just 5 feet. But this one, a little bit sexy when you put on. It's like, because it's like open, become like that, yeah. But still it's okay. A little bit open in the breast. But I will just do something. It's not so much sexy, but maybe for something it's a bit, but I think it will be fine. It's actually comfy when you put it on. Just when you remove it, especially I don't like my makeup to put, you know, it's white, so I don't like my makeup. That is why it's hard. But if you don't have makeup, it's easy to remove anyway. And this is, yeah, okay. Sell. So many sell in Zara. Let's try now my Amazon. Oh, okay. I purchased another garment steamer because last time the one I purchased is like for traveling. So this one is for the house. I hope it's good because really I have problem with my iron now. It's like when I iron, sometimes there's like some dirt that is, you know, going out. That's why I need another one. I purchased it like 20 something, 22 pound, like that. Yeah. Okay, this is actually, I think this is better. Oh, digital like that. Press it on here. You can see it's digital and oh, okay. It's but the water is not so much, yeah. So it means I cannot really put too much. Like that. Alright, and there's a free, what is that for your hand? Yeah, laundry, like that, and then changes. Alright, so I guess I'm going to use it because my clothes is wrinkled. I will try it later. So this one is nice. And oh my god, I don't know if I can show it here. This is a bread knife. Yeah, I cannot show you so much, but I need a bread knife. It's because I don't have here. And at the same time, I went to Morrison's and they have £3, and this is £8, but this one is just £4, like £3.99, £3.80. That's why I said, okay, I just buy in Amazon, you know, 50%. And then, okay, this one is battery, because I purchased rechargeable battery. Oh, okay, I hope it's not damaged. It's like not closed properly. So I have AAA and AA, this one. So I just charge and then you can use it again. I think it's so better. And then this one, lens protector. Yeah, because my phone is like, the lens is, what do you call this one? It's broken. But I'm so happy because, you know, my phones, even if I will drop them, it didn't have any like damage. So I'm very, very thankful, because many times I drop my phone. Many times, guys. Okay, so it's like this for the lens. Yeah. And I think I need also to change again the screen protector again, because I don't like it when there's a crack. Even it's okay, but yeah, this one from Amazon, because I don't know why I cannot find it in the shops, or I don't know, maybe in the shop it's cheaper. Yeah. Okay, and oh my god, guys, this is in B&M. Look at this, is really cheap. I'm not planning to buy it, but when I saw the price, I said, oh, it's good for actually give, or like every December we need to donate in school for Christmas bazaar. And this is a good donation because it's so cheap. It is originally $12.99, you can see, but £1 now. Look, I $12.99, and then the price now is £1. £1 each. So yeah, I'm going to give it to someone if I know that they like this thing, but if they don't like, I will just donate it for Christmas bazaar. Yeah, very affordable, guys. That's why I'm tempted when it's cheap. For those who are new to my channel, just that is my temptation that I'm trying to overcome. Okay, I have the receipt here. Oh, okay. Yeah, because I bought also power bank of Philips. You know, I have many power bank here. And I have many power bank here, and I hope this one is good. This is £10. Yeah, normally I will buy in Amazon, but I prefer this is because the one that in Amazon is like they have already ready one wire, and then when I'm filming outside, I just want to put the power bank in my pocket and then film. But that one is like, it's really like, you know, the wire is a bit shorter, so you need to put it near to your phone, and it's heavy, so I just need to, I prefer this one, the older way, you know. So yeah, £10. And then this is, where is it? Where is the pen? This is with the pen. Oh, look. Oh my god, is it? I purchased it because of the pen. Oh no. Wait, guys. Wait. Because this is sale also. Yeah. Wait, let me check it. Oh my god, it's not really here. That's too bad. I'm so sad now, actually. Because you know what? This one is £6, and it's just £1 I purchased. £1? Let me double check. 150. Wait. Flex notebook. Notebook. Yeah, pen. There's no pen anymore. I think when I think it fall off when I didn't. It's 150 from 6 pounds. So still it's good. And then there's K-ring. Yeah, it's okay. Never mind. I'm just sad. Maybe it's here because I shopped together with this. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully. Oh, okay, I have nuts here. I didn't realize. Yeah, last night I'm craving for a nuts, and I have nuts here, chili nuts from Home Bargains. Oh, I didn't know. Really, last night I was like, oh, where's my nuts? Where's walnut? Any nut I need. Okay. And then crayons, because I like to, when like therapy, I like to draw like that or colored. Oh, this one, 50 pence only. I will give it also stamp cookie. I will give it also, donate also for the, let's remove the 50 pence. I want to donate it for the Christmas bazaar, which is so long. Huh? I will just keep it here. I'm like that, you know. Ah, this is in Primark. Why it's here? So in Primark, this is 3 pound, but I purchased it 1 pound. It's a highlighter. I always need office supplies because I'm coloring, writing. When I'm thinking of something, I just want to write it. So even though I have laptop, I will put it in the laptop and then write again like that. Oh my god, it's all my ideas is like in the notebook, the paper, and the laptop, and in my phone. It's really crazy. And then this one is from Home Bar. Oh, okay, from P&M. I'm just so sad that I lost the pen of this, because the pen of this actually is very cute. So how is it possible? Maybe when I grab it, or maybe the pen is with the other notebook and then I grab this, that somebody get already the pen. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm so sad for this pen. Oh my god, what happened to my roller? So this is a roller, 1 pound, flexi roller. Oh, it's really flexy. It's really flexy. Okay, so this is pens again from Primark, 2 pound, but this is 3.50. You know, I always like cute pens when I'm writing. It's really cute. And then, you know, I have here boots that I want to return in Primark, but I cannot find the receipt. It's too bad. So this one, avocado facial mask. It's so bad because I want to return it and I don't know where is the receipt. And it's 10 pound boots. Okay, so next, oh, this card, Happy Valentine's Day. Just so cheap. It's 49 pence. Normally cards are like 1 pound or 79. Actually, I have already here Valentine's card, but when I saw this, I said, oh, okay, this is so cheap. Oh, okay, we're the perfect match. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. We're the perfect match, like that. So I said, okay, I'll just buy this and use the other card next year, because they don't have always like cheap card. Yeah, I mean like this 49 pence. It's not always. Message inside, read. Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, like that. So every time I can see like a cheaper card, I'll just stack. Because normally I can only see 5 pound, even sometimes 5 pound card, and you know, I don't want to spend that much money. And oh, okay, I have also here, guys, from Ordinary Boots. This is mini version, and this is 1740, which is cheaper. And like that. I want to try the Ordinary product. Actually, my skin is used to Garnier. I have good experience with Garnier than CeraVe. Oh, I purchased some lotions and many things in CeraVe, but I will break out. So this is, I never tried this actually, so hopefully my skin will be okay with this. And they gave a free what is this, like sponge for this. So hopefully my skin will love the Ordinary products. Yeah, so that's why I want to try it, because I heard many good things about Ordinary product, and it's not so expensive also. Then Primark, guys, laundry bag. I have my laundry bag here from Welco for like 3 years, and now it's not really good anymore. So this one is not so big, but I prefer it like this because I try to do my laundry every other day, you know. And my laundry normally is for my sons, because my sons change clothes like 3 times: uniform, and then house clothes, and then for at night. He doesn't want to, you know, he always want fresh one. So that's why it's mostly for his his laundry. And then this is stationery from Home Bargains. You know what? I feel like Home Bargains is really cheaper compared to other shop. And then their tissue, like this, that tissue. Yeah, that's why I always prefer to buy in Home Bargains, guys. Okay, I bought a toothbrush for my son. This is from Home Bargains. Actually, he needs to change his toothpaste now. Not coloring pen. And then heat protectant for my hair. But sometimes I forget to put. That's why my hair is a little bit, you know. But I will buy conditioner mask today because I think my hair needs it. And then this one, I just saw it and I said, oh, it's so cute. Let me buy it. And this is $2.99, something like that. I think it's cute. Oh, this is in Primark, £3 stationery set. Because I really love writing, guys. I'm like a old school person. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute with eraser, with notepad. Oh, they have ruler also. She's nice. I'm just so sad about my pen for this other one still, you know. Because it's like that, look here, and then fall off. Too bad. Oh, I purchased this from Primark. Underwear. And then this is from Morrison. Oh, I have this. Because in Morrison's I purchased like food, so just this one is not food. And then this is from Home Bargains because it's cheaper in Home Bargains than in Boots. And in Sainsbury's it's $2.50, but it's just £180 in Home Bargains. And then Primark lavender. I like to put it in my call this one in my I think I lost something. Okay, in my closet. And then for the bin, and then another one because it's cheaper, Pronamel for my son. And then I bought umbrella from Primark. It's just $4.50. I have umbrella here, but I need extra for someone. And then 50 pence like that, just for the toilet. So that's it, guys. I'm done, so I need to go now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Really, oh god, this is so cute. Too bad I don't have the pen, because you know normally it's £6. Yeah. I really doesn't like it when I lost something. Okay, guys, so I need to be more careful next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time. Bye, guys. Yan. So, tapos na ako, guys. So, ngayon, guys, ang gagawin ko is, okay, this one. I-try ko muna ito. But I need to go also. So, oh God. Ano bang uunahin ko? Alis or maglilinis? Okay, maybe I'll put it everything here. As in, grabe, kagabi talaga, nag-crave ako ng nuts. You know what? Today, my plan is to go to, wait, try ko lang muna to. To go to Lidl today. Kasi nga, gusto kong bumili ng, ng nuts. Kay Apam kasi to. Kasi yung umbrella niya, red, sabi niya, hindi daw fixed na. Hindi naman kasi siya nag-umbrella talaga. Pero one time, magkasama kami and then, yung umbrella niya hindi na maganda. So, I need to buy a new one. Nasad talaga ako dito sa pen na to. Pero eto, I'm very happy kasi nga, sell. Yan. Tapos, etong power bank, I need to double check. Kasi yung mga pag-gadgets kasi guys, chine-check ko muna talaga. Kasi nga, baka maano siya, baka sira, at least, we can return it. Pero ang problema ko ngayon is, anong uunahin ko? Maglilinis ba dito or what? Or ilagay ko na lang muna lahat dito, tapos maglilinis ako mamaya. Itong card, super cheap, 49 pound. Let our love continue to spark. Oh, this is actually nice. Ito, lagay ko dyan. Ito, oh my God, I think, kailangan ko nang kailangan ko nang umalis siguro. I think I'll just come back for these things. Okay guys, ganun na lang guys. Tapos meron ako ditong coffee. Pakita ko sa inyo. Oh my God. Yan. Yan. Hindi ko pa ito nalinis dito. And then, here. Yan ang ating bahay. And, okay. Tapos yung laundry ko nandyan ay, diba? Ang daming laundry. Pero hindi siya nakikita pag nag-video ako, which is good. Pero, normally kasi nilalagay ko siya sa toilet, which is, I feel like, hindi ko na siya gagawin. Hindi maganda yung weather sa UK today. Maulan-ulan ng kaunti. Okay. So, maglilinis ako. Oh God. Nasaan ba yung aking pen? Okay guys. Oh my God. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Ano na lang siguro ako. Off ko lang yung TV. What is this pen? Oh, okay. Euro 70. May nagbigay ito kay Alex. Okay, so mag-ano lang ako. Change or no. Okay, alis na ako guys kasi nga magpupunta pa ako sa Home Bargains and Lidl ulit. And then, bibili ako ng food. I'm trying to go to B&M also. Nalungkot ako dito sa pen kasi ang cute ng pen. Nung notebook na yon. Ano siya, stitched din. Okay. So, yun yung aking learning na kailangan is i-check ko. Kasi nagmamadali ako that time. Anyway, mura lang naman. 6 pounds dapat, tapos naging 150. So, okay lang din. So, okay guys. See you na lang next time dahil medyo pag nag-vlog kasi ako, baka mahirapan akong mag-focus. Okay. I-change ko pala yung aking phone. Ito yung aking isa. Okay pa naman siya. Ito lang dito. Okay, for my hair, for Alexander, kasi kailangan niya nang mag-change ng toothbrush. Tapos yung ruler. Naalala ko, may ruler pala ako dito. At saka ito pala yung ordinary. Kailangan kong i-try today. I hope okay siya kasi pag hindi okay, manghinayang ako sa pera ko. Kasi ito, pag na-open na, hindi mo na siya pwedeng ibalik. You know, 17 pound din kaya. So, magkano to sa Pinas? 1.4? Like that, diba? Yan. May nagtanong pala sa akin kung okay lang ba si Afam na bili ako ng bili. So, sa totoo lang guys, pera ko naman yung aking pinagastos. Kaya, wala siyang reklamo. Wala siyang reklamo actually. Pag nakikita niya lang na sobrang, wala siyang reklamo. Sa totoo lang, actually, I'm thinking, minimalist siya. Wala siyang masyadong gamit. Pag binibilihan ko nga siya ng gamit, ayaw niya. Sobrang minimalist niya. Yung wardrobe niya, sobrang konti lang guys. Yung coat niya, isa lang. Isang coat for work, dalawang hoodie, tatlong hoodie, tatlong pants kasi for work. Sobrang konti lang ng damit niya. Kaya nga, na-amaze ako. Tapos si Alex din kasi, mahilig din si Alex ng, ayun niya din ng madaming damit. So, feeling ko, ako lang yung bili ng bili for them na hindi naman nila nire-request. So, ngayon, ang bala ko talaga is last shopping sa kanila and for myself. Ito lang yung dress kasi kailangan ko kasi nga, may dress ako ditong binili sa Zara last year. Okay. Thank you for buying. Kaso, yung dress na yun, medyo tight siya. It's really nice. Kaso nga lang, tight siya. So, yun yung problema ko. Ayaw kasi ng tight na guys. Kasi nga guys, tingnan nyo. Tumaba kasi ako. Wait lang. Yan. Yan. Tumaba kasi ako. Kaya, kung tight yung aking dress, kitang-kita yung mga bilbil ko. Kaya, ngayon, since hindi tayo payat pa, kailangan pa natin mag-lose ng weight. Kailangan ko muna ng mga dress na like breathable. Tapos pag na pumayat tayo ulit, hopefully, yun, pwede na yung mga a bit tight, you know. So, yun na lang. Bye guys. Until next time. Bye.